that time of year again when we try to put together a nice little Thanksgiving dinner for our families. And isn't it lovely that we have this time of year for us to just gather around the table? But many of us aren't thankful enough. So what I have put together for us today is something that I call blessing dressing. And what it's going to do is it's going to allow us to realize as we are cooking and preparing our Thanksgiving meal that we can certainly find things to be thankful for, right, ladies and gentlemen? Okay, so what we do is to start out with the ingredients. Now we have our little friendly bird here. We've named him Henry in the studio. And as you can see, he looks pretty pale, kind of like we look when we haven't been in the sun since the last summer. Anyway, so this is the dressing that I have already made. It takes about a half an hour, but I'm going to tell you how to do it really quickly. Now you take half a cup of onions and you put them and saute them in butter. Now what does this represent but butter is an oil, like the oil of the Spirit, that gives us that savory flavor. So as we are cooking this aromatic food, let's remember that our fragrance should be sweet and savory, no arguing about who's doing what in the kitchen. Okay, next, after you put the onions and you've sauteed them, pour them in, you want to put in some diced celery. Celery is kind of a root, and remember that we are the root of our salvation, as we represent the root of our family. So when you're putting the celery in, remember to be thankful for your family. Now, you saute that in butter for about 20 or 30 minutes, not quite that long, maybe it's just till they get translucent. Then you're going to add in the secret ingredient, raisins. Now, raisins, where do they come from? But the fruit of the vine. And what is the fruit of the vine? But a grape. Now remember that Jesus called himself the vine and we are the branches. So as you put in your raisins and your lovely dressing, remember to be thankful for Jesus, who is the reason for our seasons. Now we're going to cook this all together. Make sure that it gets to a nice savory smell. Oh, and I almost forgot the main ingredient, heavens, which is of course the breadcrumbs. Now, you can make your own breadcrumbs if you are very efficient, but I cheat and use Stovetop or any other brand of breadcrumbs that already have the seasoning in them. You just pour them in after you've done all of your other mixture, and you stir, stir, stir. Now you'll notice they're a little dry, so you want to add a liquid. I always put in about a cup or between a half a cup and a cup of chicken broth, and then that gives it kind of a nice moisture. You mix, 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 mix. Okay, that's about it for the dressing. Now what we're going to do is stuff our bird. As we stuff our bird, with your bird, you can brine it the night before in salt and sugar and water, and it's about 1 cup of salt to about 2 or 3 gallons of water, and there's plenty of things on the web you can find out about how to do that. That'll give it a very moist flavor when you cook it. But if you don't do that, don't worry, sweetie. Take some butter and just kind of rub, 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 rub all over little Henry here. And don't forget under the arms. And then you put the dressing in. Now, there are 2 theories about dressing. One is we can have the turkey put the dressing in himself, or we can put the dressing in for him. Now, the first thing is, of course, ludicrous. Can this bird put anything in himself? Of course not. He's dead. Right? So, now what does this tell us about God's blessings? Well, some people think that we can give ourselves blessings, that we can just do our own thing, and that God is going to give us all these wonderful things coming into our lives. But do we realize where they came from? No, because somebody has to put them inside of us. Now, if we realize that when we are stuffing our turkey, it's just like God stuffing us with his blessings. He is the one that gives us our blessings. We can't give ourselves our blessings because when we try to do it ourselves, we usually blow it. And especially this time of year. So, okay, so we've got our nice stuffing going inside of our bird. Now you want to cook the bird about 350 for about 2.5 for 3 hours, or until it gets a nice golden brown on the outside and that little thingy on the red thingy pops up if you have one of those kind. Or you can put a thermometer in there and it's about 180 degrees. That's cooked, it's done. And so, ladies and gentlemen, I hope that this Thanksgiving you remember to count your blessings and have a wonderful, blessed dressing. Bye. Toot-toot. Okay, now turn it off.
You're doing